Good one on there. Oh, man. You gotta show them the recipe. And this is the special sauce. We're not gonna give you special sauce today, but you can put that in there. That's the dog special sauce. And then the dog. That's the special sauce for the dogs right there. Special sauce for the dogs. Oh. French fries, mac and cheese. I'm gonna add some French fries, mac and cheese. Yeah. Then I open up dog food. You ain't got warm it up, fresh out the refrigerator. Look at it, y'all. Look at it. Nice and, what is this? I don't know. I think it's roast beef. Salmon, sweet potatoes, brown rice, and spinach. Hopefully I like it. Look at that. Look at that.
Should add an egg.
I'm telling you, hungry, hungry hippos. You pushy wishies. Let's eat the meat. Mix it up. Matter of fact, should we add the special sauce?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're gonna add the special sauce, y'all. Do not try this at home. This is only for my dogs. Special sauce. Alright, and this is the food they eat, dry dog food. Expensive. $1 million babies. Alright, cut.